Hello, my name is Pete. I'm here to show you the process for removing a low-profile meter-based surge protector that's already been installed at an electric meter enclosure. First of all, our recommendation, you'll note I'm not wearing a hard hat. Please adhere to all safety rules and regulations of your utility or of your installation contractor that you're working for. This is very important just in case something does go wrong. It's good to have flame retardant shirts. It's good to have proper safety equipment. So please make sure you do that. To carry out the actual removal of the meter, you first want to make sure, and you want to check on the right side at the 3 o'clock position, you see a small dot. This is not energized, but it would normally be glowing red. Please confirm that the light is indeed on before you proceed with removing the meter-based surge protector. So step one will be to cut the meter seal at the ring, and on this particular ringless meter enclosure, we would cut a meter seal hanging here. So now that we've done that, I'm going to set this across, and we will take our screwdriver. You'll see a knurled nut meter ring. This is holding the meter. It's attaching it to the low-profile meter-based surge protector. So the knurled nut is designed so that you can actually open it with your gloves or with a flat blade screwdriver. So we're going to use a screwdriver, just put that there. So we remove the ring. What would be required for removal of the meter would be to make sure that you've got minimal load on the meter. That would be like a hot water heater or heating system. You don't want to have a lot of load as you pull the meter. So once we've determined that we've minimized the load coming through the meter, that could be by turning off a main breaker or pulling a breaker on an air conditioner, however you would want to do that. But once we've done that, we're going to pull the meter using a quick downward motion, removing it and basically breaking the load. What we have left here is the meter-based surge protector. You can visually inspect the fuses and determine that they are intact. The light won't be on anymore because the light requires that the meter be installed before the light will light. So we're going to then open up the actual enclosure, and we're going to remove the cover. And the next step, we're going to actually remove the meter-based surge protector. You want to grasp it firmly with a swift downward motion. We want to pull it, and then the short ground lead, we remove it, and then more than likely, I would recommend that you remove the ground lead, preferably by unscrewing it or by snipping it, because you don't want the ground lead, bouncing around anywhere inside the meter enclosure. But once we remove the device, and this is the meter-based surge protector, once we remove the meter-based surge protector, we want to restore power to the homes, so we're going to reinstall the electric meter. Following normal procedures, you line the jaws up in the bottom, and then you immediately bring it home to seat it firmly in the enclosure jaws. Once we've set the meter, we're going to put the cover back on. We want to carefully put it over the meter, install it. Ouch. And then we want to, this is the actual clasp that holds everything intact, and we want to install a meter seal back at this point to secure it. So we now have a meter enclosure that has had the low-profile meter-based surge protector removed. If you remove the device for a warranty check, please install one during the interim period between when you pull the device and you return the device has been tested and if it's determined to be fine. Very important, you don't want to leave the customer without protection, but if you just wanted to simply remove it, that's how you do it. Thank you for choosing Kennick Incorporated. If you have any questions, let us know. Have a nice day.